Tänään mulla on taas Getter tässä. Eli tänään me tehdään Never Have I Ever, A Truth or Dare, koska ne oli vähän sellaisia, että niitä voisi tehdä poika-tyttö, tällaisia juttuja. Ja sitten niin me päätettiin tehdä Never Have I Ever. Ja mulla on tässä appi siihen, tällainen tosi hieno appi. Niin aletaan.
Onko se toi?
Varastanut jotain työpaikaltani tai koulusta.
Joo, siis ala-asteella vaikka mitään, kaikki kyniä, kumia ja kaikki.
Joo, kynät ja kumit ja sit mä aina varastin haarukoita tuolta ruokalasta.
Miksi?
Mä en tiedä. Dude.
Mut se niinku himaa vaan silleen sille haarukoilla silleen.
Joo, just näin. Salaa lukenut partnerin sähköpostia tai tekstiviestejä.
Onks partnerini
niinku jäbäs?
Mä en itse asiassa. En oo minäkään. Ei usko.
Meillä on stalkers! Hei!
Niin. Silleen.
Tapailut työkaveria, niin nyt on niinku luokkakaveria, niin onhan.
Ala-asteella joo.
Ollut ihastunut ihmisen, joka on tässä huoneessa. Getter, mulla on pakko kertoa sulle jotain.
Okei.
Ollut YouTubessa, vaikka olisit pitänyt tehdä töitä.
Joo.
Kyllä.
Joo.
Lopettanut suhdetta tekstiviestillä.
Vaikka kuinka monta.
Joo, sama täällä. Me ollaan kauheita ihmisiä. Voi. Ollut ihastunut opettajaan tai professoriin. No niin, no tanssi, mut
Se saa kattoo tää.
ei sit tiedä mikä tanssiopettajassa on. Eli mä en oo ollut rakastunut mihinkään tällaisia. Ollut koulukiusaaja.
Mä olin ala-asteella koulukiusaaja, mä en nyt ollenkaan ylpeä siitä. Se ei ollut kivaa. Oli yksi poika, jota mä en kiusattiin.
Yök. Mä en oo ikinä kiusannut ketään. Ja siinä oli meidän kysymykset.
Eikö sä ajatellut yhtään? Ei, mä voisin ottaa sen mun sen.
Joo. Mut Getter ottaa nyt seuraan, koska meidän
Mut mulla on vaan enkuks, jatketaanko me sitä
Jatketaan enkuks. Okei, no siis nää Never Have I Ever kysymykset suomeksi loppu. Se appi on aika lyhyt, kun se on suomeksi. Niin me nyt vaihdetaan kieltä englanniksi ja tehdään tää toinen osa tästä enkuksi. So yeah, what I was explaining was like, first we did it in Finnish, because the app was in Finnish, but now we're gonna switch to an English app.
Joo.
And it's the same app, Never Have I Ever.
Never have I ever shot a gun.
No, actually, I haven't.
Me neither.
I would want
Except
to,
the
though.
play guns. Boom.
Oh yeah.
Nyt, joo.
Yeah.
Mitä nää?
Like a water.
Okay. Never have I ever told someone that I loved him when I didn't.
I think when I was little, I did it when I was in like a relationship.
Yeah.
And I just like said it because
I even
the person
that.
said it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't. I think.
Okay.
I don't know. Never have I ever been sent into the hall during class.
I've been sent there when I've been really noisy, and yeah, I'm pretty
Me
noisy.
too.
Yes.
Me too.
I like to talk.
Yo, yes, this is a good one. Never have I ever farted and blamed it on someone else.
Yes, multiple times, like always. Someone's like, "What is the smell?" I'm like, "No, oh shit, I'm puppy." There's some inappropriate questions that we don't want to answer. So yeah, she's just like, "Oh my god."
Never have I ever driven home and not remembered how you got there.
No, because I don't. Kids don't drink and drive. That's like the first thing. So no, I always remember when I drive home because
Yeah.
sober.
I never drove, so yeah. Watch me whip.
Now watch me nana. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nana.
Okay. Never have I ever had a guy give me flowers.
No, sadly, no.
2 times.
Oh my god. I'm just like got some McDonald's food or something.
Never have I ever caused a breakup.
Oh yes and yes and yes.
Totally. Totally.
We're not bad people.
Never have I ever tried Nutella.
I'm allergic to Nutella, or I'm allergic to nuts, so I've never tried Nutella.
I feel sorry for you.
Yeah, I know. I feel sad, like sorry for myself.
Never have I ever laughed until something I was drinking came out of my nose.
Yes.
Oh my
It
god!
hurts so much. It's like it feels so terrible. Ew.
One time I ate a chip and it came out of my mouth. It was in summer. Siis oikeesti. Semmonen, mikä se on?
Explain it in English.
En mä osaa selittää sitä silleen. Niinku semmonen juustonaksu.
Oh, a cheese like ball. No, it's not a
Yeah,
cheese
cheese
ball.
ball.
But, yeah, chease ball.
That's nasty.
God.
But it was really weird.
Ew. I got a French fry upon in my nose.
What? Because I laughed. I didn't like put it in. It was like in my mouth.
And I started laughing and it got out there.
Never have I ever went bungee jumping on a dare.
I would want to someday.
I want to. It was.
Yeah.
It will be awesome, but no.
But no.
Never have I ever been on a date.
Yeah.
I haven't.
Oh.
Really? I haven't been on
I
a
was just
date.
like about to say like too many dates.
Okay. Not on a real date.
Oh.
I think. Yeah. No.
Someone take her out on a real date. No, just joking.
I have a boyfriend.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, when did you have your first kiss and how did it go? I can start. My
Yeah, you
first
can
kiss was
start.
in, I think, 4th grade. When
I was in 6th grade. It was a Halloween disco. I was like 13. Maybe. Yeah.
what was I in 4th grade? Like 11? I don't know. Yeah.
It was cute. Never have I ever been in a real love triangle.
No, but I've like watched it from like at a friend's perspective, like my friend being in a love triangle, but I haven't.
I have.
No.
Never have I ever broke someone's heart.
Yeah.
Miksi mä nauran kauhean? Never have I ever been cheated on.
No.
Never have I ever stalked an ex.
Yes.
No.
What?
What?
What? I'm so good.
Never have I ever told someone that I loved them.
Yeah, I've said that.
Yes. Never have I ever been in a food fight.
Yeah, I've been. I've thrown in like bread on a girl's head and a tomato, no, a tomato and a potato.
What the fuck, Hollis?
I'm wild.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so that was all the questions for today, and I hope you liked this video. Thumbs up and comment down below some video ideas for us to do next. And subscribe, and I'll see you next video.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.